hoping it's all smushed up enough.
We can smush some more.
It looks so good. All the truffles, yes. Collie says hi.
Hi, Collie.
Yes. He's not too enthusiastic. There's a third. Orca, like my favorite trio. I know, they're so cute. Thank you for the roses, Orca. You can go on and stick that on there.
I was going to say something inappropriate. Oh, we need to get more over here.
I know. We're trying to film, and... Because honestly, with this, I would just put sound to it.
Wow, this cap cut.
I know. And like I said, don't feel afraid to use your hands. Textures, I can't. I'm never good at writing comments.
Because I can't really read them.
You're like, I can't
For the
see.
first time my
So
phone's
cute.
actually...
Oh, updated. Yep, and then that'll be the fun part.
the best sitting here.
It just makes it work.
It's like a hi there.
Yeah, it's just keeping mixing.
Is one block of cream cheese going to be enough for these?
Yep, it's supposed to be one. It might be easier to go on with your hands. You're gonna make me do it?
Yeah.
Just have to watch the comments on the live.
We got some Orca
Orca
sent the
sent
roses.
roses.
Melody sent some likes.
All the likes.
It's really getting there.
That's why it's important to have the cream cheese room temperature. You're gonna get the cookie sheet and bring it over here for me?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna... Oh, I broke it.
Oh no!
It's broken! Why did I touch it? Nope, that was way too far. How's that?
Works.
I was just trying to get a little more over this side too. Oops. Oh. No, he's not in it. How about now?
So it could be this and that and I don't know.
What happened? Oh, I was moving the other tripod and I broke it. I feel the need to make a rockin' out. Oh, that'd be so cute! Just gotta send us some.
So I know the signal is not the best either here. So I know there's a lot of buffering.
We appreciate you. I wanna make some balls! changed my mind. How big? How big?
Really, Kirishima?
Yeah. Is it?
It's a my size ball. I didn't mean it like that.
Ball making, yes.
Good at that.
All the balls. I want to eat it off my hand, but I don't know if you're going to get sick and tired of making balls.
I feel like this is not going to make 36 balls.
No.
How many balls is this?
I make them bigger. They're supposed to make them smaller, but I'm like, those are what I like. You lucky Bakugo is not yelling at you, Kirishima.
That's why I'm here and not there.
Work studies. We gotta fatten Fatgum up, don't you know?
Look at that, scrawny. He's like, I'm waiting. Why is this so little?
That's fine.
I need some.
That's fine.
It's gonna be manly.
I mean, they're not the same size in real life, so.
The fuck do you look at me?
I was. Oh, that's a good
That
ball.
one's like massive, yeah.
That's a good one. That's a manly
As
one.
long as we can dip them in the chocolate and get them out of the chocolate.
Well, how big are we dipping them in?
I got the glass over there. It's a decent, I mean, it's still a decent size, but.
I have to wash it out.
Okay. God,
I will need
look at that one. It's big.
I will need another